I'm not okay with that.
What?
So I'm with my two very obnoxious friends
hair.
right now.
Three.
Three very obnoxious friends, thank you very much.
My face looks really
Four,
fat.
actually. And Julie is not here because Julie, as I told you, is a loser. And
My
she
face
does not want
is
to
this fat
be
in
these
real
videos.
life. Just saying.
Yeah, it is.
not.
So
I look like a
can
frog.
I tell you guys something? That these two girls right here, if you watch,
You just.
if you watch our other videos, you know how much I freaking hate black skirts.
I wore that the next day, but I didn't watch
These girls
the
wear
video.
them right here. And this girl.
You know what?
Right here.
My butt doesn't hang out
I
of
don't care what you think.
You gotta conceal
Like you
your
can't
butt.
see my area.
Conceal your butt. You conceal it in shorts.
She doesn't wear pants, so don't listen to her because her pants like go up her butt.
She needs to know.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing my hair.
So yeah,
So there's this black
6
kid.
subscribers. Yeah, there's a kid that's obsessed with her, and there's a kid that's obsessed with her too.
Okay, there's
we
like
delete
10
this?
kids that
And
are
there's
obsessed
like
with her.
10 kids.
Can we delete this? My nose is really itchy, so I'm like itching it the whole time.
Then go over there.
Okay, bye.
Hi. Hi.
Ow!
We're babysitting
Her.
her. This looks
She went away.
He's texting a kid who says he wants to marry her.
Okay, no, he was just kidding.
He's in love with her. This is the blonde girl that I talked about in my other video.
I did make her quit dance. I don't know why she said that because I
Julie
didn't
said it on
make
me.
No, she's like, do it to some people, and then Julie goes.
They all saw the video. They know what I said. I could have meant another girl that's blonde that we all know.
Okay,
You
well,
got like 2 views
Guys,
on
this
those.
thing's
I actually have like 124 views, so you can go suck my
Can we go
tongue.
like this? Because I don't like when. Okay, that's
can
so
hold
good.
it. You can hold it.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on.
What are
Hi,
you
you
doing?
freaking
Oh my
fingers.
god!
Oh, God.
Where'd it go?
You suck
You're
at that.
retarded.
Where'd
What
it
did
go?
you do?
Eric, what'd you do?